Back with another one. Look at the bomber. It's up in Whittemore now. Oh yeah. Look at that. Gotcha. You're a YouTube star now, brother. Yeah. We're gonna put it right over there in that barn and make it happen. Oh yeah. Jim. This badass Chevy's one that pulled that Dodge up here. See, Eric, this is what happens when you work hard. When you work hard, this is what you get. If you don't work hard, you don't get this. That's the way it works. You work hard, this is what you get. He busts his ass to get all this shit. Take care of family, work your ass off, and you have everything you want in life. And that's the way it works. Be able to back it right in, Justin. I got it all cleared out.